Maruti Suzuki is currently conducting a case study competition for all engineering college students and business school students. So we'll see about that in a minute. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And here is a small update regarding Coursera Plus. So if you want to get courses from top companies and universities like Duke University, Google, etc., then you can just make use of Coursera Plus subscription. Because with the Coursera Plus subscription, you will get unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses offered by leading instructors around the world. And not only that, you can get guided projects or professional certificate programs, and a lot more things are available for you with Coursera Plus subscription. So if you are interested in it, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see the case study competition that is conducted by Maruti Suzuki now. So Maruti Suzuki is conducting a competition called XCELerate, and this is for all the engineering college students and business school students who are interested in automobile sector. So this is a team competition. First we'll see the eligibility criteria and what are the team formulation guidelines. So then we can move forward to other details about the competition. So the first thing is you should be from the engineering background or business school background. It means you should be doing MBA or PGDM or any stream in engineering like BTech or integral dual degree, anything is fine. So only engineering college students and business school students are allowed to participate in this particular competition. So you can see that here. And the next thing is team formulation guidelines. So you can create a team with 2 to 3 members. That's the maximum number. 3 is the maximum number. And all the members of the team should be from the same institute. Cross institute teams are not allowed. And at the same time, cross year teams are also not allowed. For example, if you are in second year, you cannot pair up with someone in first year or third year to create a team. But cross specialization teams are allowed. For example, if you are in a mechanical stream and if your friend is from computer science stream, you guys can pair up and create a team and register for it. And all of your team members need to provide their consent in order to participate in the competition. So this will be taken care of during the registration process, not a big issue. Next thing which you need to know is you cannot be part of more than one team in this competition. So you can be a part of only one team and you have to select that. And only B school and engineering students can participate in this, like I said earlier, and there is no restriction on the number of teams that can come from one institute. So you do not have to worry about the other teams which are going to participate in this competition from your college or university. And even if you want to change your team members, you can do that before the registration closes. Once it closes, you cannot change your team members, nothing is possible. So these are the important guidelines for team formulation. And we have seen the eligibility criteria as well. So now let's move on to the important part, that is how this Maruti Suzuki XCELerate competition is going to be conducted. So once you register your team, all your team members will take the first round, which is online quiz. And once you participate in this quiz, you will get your participation certificate. But the important thing is all the members of the team has to attempt the online quiz. It is not enough if 1 or 2 takes it. If 2 is the maximum number, that is fine, but all the team members has to take the online quiz, that is the first round. And there will be only one opportunity given to you for taking the online quiz, and here are some guidelines. So this will be on 27th Feb 2023, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is the first online round quiz. But the assessment duration will be of only 30 minutes. So you can finish it off in 30 minutes. It will have 30 questions. There is a marking section in a different way. You will get marks for your accuracy and speed, and they have explained how this works in this guidelines. You can just go through it. So this is the first round online quiz. Next one is executive summary submission, and this will be conducted simultaneously for both business track as well as engineering track. So you can see that here, this is business track and this is engineering track. So there are 2 tracks which will go on simultaneously. So in the second round, which is executive summary submission, you will be shortlisted if you have performed well in the first round, that is an online quiz. And the shortlisted teams will be given a challenge statement, that is a problem statement. Most probably it will be related to automobile sector, and you have to propose a short solution with a 2-slider PPT, and you have to provide 2-minute video explanation for your idea as well. So they'll give you a problem and you're going to provide a solution in a shorter way or in a simpler way. So that will be the second round. So the round 3 is detailed presentation submission and virtual presentation round. So in this round, if you are shortlisted after round 2, you will have to present your ideas in a detailed manner. So this will be of 15 minutes. You will get 10 minutes to present your idea, to explain your concepts, and there will be 5 minutes for Q&A session. So this is the round 3, and the round 4 will be grand finale. So based on your last round performance, that is round 3 performance, they'll be shortlisting teams for the final round, and the finalist will be presenting their ideas to the jury panel from Maruti Suzuki, and then the winners and runners up will be announced, and the winners and runners will also get PPA opportunities, that is pre-placement interview opportunities. So apart from that, you also have some cash rewards. So if you are in business track and if you become a winner, that is if your team becomes a winner, you'll get INR 2 lakhs, and if you are in engineering track, the winner will get INR 1,50,000. And apart from that, in both the tracks, first runner-up and second runner-up will get 1,75,000 respectively, and all the top 3 teams or team members will get pre-placement interview opportunities, like I said earlier, and you will also get participation certificate. So these are the benefits, and this is how the competition is going to be. And as of now, there are only 10 days left for the application deadline. So if you are interested in this, try to register for it as early as possible. So now let's see how you can register for this Maruti Suzuki XCELerate. So once you are on this page, just click on this register button that you see here, and you can see here it is absolutely free of cost. You do not need to pay any amount to participate in this competition. It's absolutely free. And once you click on register, you'll be seeing a pop-up like this. So here you need an account in this Unstop platform first. So you can click on the sign up and create your account, or if you already have an account in Unstop, you can go ahead and log in with your account. And once you are logged in, you can just proceed further and register for Maruti Suzuki XCELerate. It's a simple process. So I hope you will find this Maruti Suzuki XCELerate competition very useful. If you think someone in your circle or your friend will find this useful, just share this to them. This is a great opportunity for anyone interested in automobile sector. I hope you guys are going to love this. And if you want to get information about more such events or competitions like this, or if you want to know about online courses, you can just subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon, so that you will get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.